I'm sure that a lot of people have so many different opinions in regards to, is now a good time? Is the market too hot to invest? Should you wait for a market crash? Like, when should you start your real estate investing journey? So I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm not an attorney, a CPA, a lawyer, any of that good stuff. But I am an experienced real estate investor, and I'm gonna share my thoughts. I'm gonna educate you. I'm gonna share my experiences so that you can make the best decision for yourself. Does that sound good? If so, let's get into it. What's up, everyone, and welcome to Real Talk with Olamide, where we talk about all things real estate. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Olamide Kayode. I am a real estate investor as well as a licensed realtor and a licensed loan originator. And today we are going to be talking about, is now a good time to invest in real estate? All right, so let's break down that question. At this point in time, and right now we're in 2022, is it a good time to invest? Yes or no? My simple answer is this: anytime is a good time to invest in real estate if you are investing in it the right way. We all know that the majority of millionaires built their wealth through real estate. So I think it's pretty clear that real estate is absolutely a way that people build huge amounts of wealth. So now that we've established that, so let's talk about why real estate is even a good investment in the first place. Number one, there are so many tax advantages when you buy and hold real estate. When you look at the United States tax code, the tax code literally tells you the ways that you can save on taxes. And a big way is through real estate. Now, I am not a CPA, so I'm not giving you any type of tax advice right now. But what I will say is, if you do talk to a CPA, they will probably agree with you that if you invest, if you buy and hold real estate, there are so many different tax advantages. Why? Because the government doesn't want to do housing. They don't want to build houses. They want to have investors do it so that they don't have to. So they incentivize, and they also allow investors to reduce their taxes so that they can invest that money in real estate. So that is one advantage of being in real estate. Another one is appreciation. Generally, the property prices, the property values increase over time. Now, have there been crashes in the past? Absolutely. So have prices kind of swung in certain seasons? Yes, they have. But generally, prices tend to consistently go up. And we call that appreciation, the gradual appreciation of the value of a property's price over time. Another reason why real estate is a good investment is because of cash flow. If you, for example, are buying and holding a property, you maybe have a mortgage, but let's say your mortgage is $1,000 and you're charging $2,000 in rent. There's cash flow here. Look, those are all great things when it comes to real estate. Are there also some bad things? Yes. Have there been market crashes in the past? Yes. Have there been situations where maybe people don't pay their rent? You have to maybe foreclose or evict on a tenant or an owner? Yes. And so there's definitely risk when it comes to real estate. Anytime you buy a property, you absolutely want to make sure that you take all of these different risks into consideration. But all in all, real estate investing is the area that most millionaires have built their wealth. It is an amazing area to be in. It's an amazing area to build wealth, get that financial freedom, build that retirement plan, create multiple streams of income, however you want to say it. Wealth is being built in this asset class. Can I get a you? No. So now going back to the original question, anytime is a good time to invest in real estate, in my opinion, if you are buying right. And when I say if you're buying right, a lot of times that means if you're buying properties at a discounted price. Now, a lot of people are out there probably going to be saying, okay, well, the market is so hot. People are bidding, overpaying for properties. How in the world are you going to find a property at a discounted price? Let me tell you, it is happening. I am buying properties at discounted prices. I currently have a property under contract for almost 50% of the property value. The good deals are absolutely out there. It's really about finding them. So ultimately, is now a good time to invest in real estate It can be if you are looking for good deals. What makes a good deal? It means if you're buying a property at a discounted price. When you buy a property at a discounted price, you get something called instant equity. Equity in this situation would be the difference between the market value of a property and the amount that you paid to buy a property. So let's say you bought a $200,000 home. Let's just say somehow you are able to purchase it for $150,000. So what does that mean? If you bought it all in $150,000, then that means you instantly have $50,000 of instant equity. A lot of people say don't wait to buy real estate, instead buy and wait. And I agree to an extent, but you also have to be very careful why. That thinking supports the theory that even if you buy a property at a high price, because appreciation happens and the price of that property is generally going to increase, eventually, even if you bought it at the top of the market, or let's just say you bought it for a little bit over asking price, some people will say that it doesn't really matter because over time it's going to increase anyway. I don't have that view when it comes to investing in real estate. I honestly don't. I want to immediately have equity when I buy a property. I just do. And I want to make sure that if a market crash was to happen, that if the price was to dip, that I bought it at enough of a discounted price that it's going to protect me from those market nuances that could or maybe will not happen. So ultimately, is now a good time? Yes, now is a good time. I am boldly and excitedly buying and still investing in real estate, and so are a lot of other different investors. At the same time, it is important for you to understand how to find good deals, how to market those good deals, how to find people that are willing to sell their properties at discounted prices. Let's just say that you haven't bought any real estate before. Let's just say that you are just now deciding that you want to become a real estate investor. Well, if that's you, congratulations. That is awesome. I was you years ago. I started off my real estate investing journey with absolutely zero experience. I was not a realtor. I was not a loan originator. I had never bought properties. I had zero experience. But I came in, I committed, I studied, I did the work, I invested my time, my money, and I ended up making it happen. If you are trying to do the same thing, I have some solutions for you. I have some products for you. I have a course, I have a mentorship program, and I would be more than happy to teach you how to invest in real estate in an amazing way that has really taken my wealth to the next level. So if you're interested in that, check out the links in the description. I would love to talk to you. I would love to get to know you. And I would love for you to go ahead and join our village and to become the real estate investor that you have always wanted to be, or the one that you just decided that you want to be. All right. So thank you for tuning into Real Talk with Olamide, where we talk about all things real estate. I hope that you learned something new. Have a great day and God bless.